Dear Leos, a very good morning to you guys. So this is a general love reading for those who are in separation right now or who are in no contact with their partner or with their person. So it is a reading from 26th of April till 3rd of May. So we will check your partner's energy or the person on your mind, their energy, your energy, their feelings for you, what they want from you, and the expected outcome from their side till 3rd of May and advice. Okay. So let's quickly tap into your partner's energy or into your person's energy. Your person's energy right now, Leo, is so keep in mind it is for those who are in no contact or who are in separation right now, okay, or who broke up, you can say. So the hanged man. Your person's energy is the hanged man. I feel like your person is not taking any kind of action towards this relationship. They are trying to see this relationship or this connection with a different perspective. They are just, deliberately they are delaying things. Deliberately they are taking a pause or taking a break from this situation, and they are right now analyzing everything, each and everything with this in this connection, with this specific connection with you. Okay, so let's clarify the hanged man. Why are they stuck? They're feeling stuck somewhere, and that is why they're holding back a lot. That is why they are maybe not communicating to you on that level. And if they are, so I don't feel like they're communicating to you in on that level at which they should, okay, in this relationship, or they're not communicating to you at all. They are just holding back, they are silent. They are just silent. So let's clarify the hanged man. Ace of Wands, Strength, and the Eight of Wands. So I feel like this person is holding back because they want to have a brand new start with you. Again, they are holding back, and again, they want a communication, back and forth communication from you. So they are planning. This is like planning behind the scenes. They are planning and plotting behind the scenes, and they are analyzing everything because all they want is a brand new beginning in this relationship, a brand new start in this relationship. They are trying to hold back. You might be dealing with another Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising, and then they want to communicate. They want lots of back and forth communication. They want lots of clarification from your side. Okay, so that is why right now they are silent, because all they want to do is communicate. Okay, so they are planning, so they are in their mind about you, they are in their head about you, what to tell you, what to ask you, what if that happened, what if that shit happened, and what if it is not working out the way I am, analyzing it to be. So whatever it is right now, they are holding back because they want a clear and open communication. They want to have, a new brand new start in this relationship with you, in this connection with you. Your energy, Leo. Nine of Pentacles. My intuition was telling me this is coming towards you because my rising sign is Leo. So yeah, I'm doing like this only. So your energy is right now focused on yourself only. You are just focused on your work, your beauty, your luxuries, your own happiness, your own money. So everything around you is focused on on you only. I feel like Leo, this is the great time that you are doing this because of this lockdown thing. Everything is being negative for everybody, but you are focused on yourself. You are focused on your money, your own health, your own looks. So this is a very good thing. So let's clarify the Nine of Pentacles. I feel like you are reaping some kind of rewards from your past investments, maybe, or you might be doing some kind of game playing or something, and you are earning money, and that is a good thing. Let's clarify the Nine of Pentacles. Yes, I told you. So you were waiting for this thing to happen from a very long time, because this is reaping seeds and then waiting for the rewards. And then this is kind of, you are feeling good about your financial health right now. And this is something new coming in towards you as well in financial areas. So all I feel is, Leos, you are just focused on your finances. You are just focused on your money for the timing. You are not at all focused on the emotional aspect of your life or the relationship aspect of your life. I feel like right now all you want is money. in your life. All you want is finances. And I feel like these finances are making you feel very, very emotionally helpful, emotionally healthy, emotionally happy. And that is why you are creating new opportunities as well. It's all about money for you, Leos, right now. Whether you're in separation or in no contact with this person, I don't feel like you're giving a fuck to this person. To be very honest, you are just focused on yourself. This is a very good thing. This is lovely. Okay, what they are feeling for you right now? The moon. Okay, they are hiding something from you. They are hiding their emotions from you, Leo. If you are connected with somebody who is like connected to you from the past, so they are hiding something from you. There is big time hiding in this situation. I feel like they are not able to, or they might be not able to listen to their intuition, or there is a blockage in their intuition that is telling them to come forward and talk to you. But basically, this person is in lots of, hell lot of fears. This person is going through lots of subconscious fears. What if that happened? What if this happened? What if this is this becomes hell? What if my life becomes hell after this? So this person is going through a lot of subconscious fears regarding you. They are feeling insecure, they are feeling fearful, they are feeling they don't have a hope with you. So basically this person is feeling like they lost you. Okay, so let's clarify the moon. Why is the moon here? The star, the Hierophant, and the Three of Swords. See, I feel like this person was very, very hopeful about this relationship, and I feel like this person felt like this is a long term commitment, this is a long term relationship, but things fell apart. Everything fell apart, and this relationship maybe broke up, and this made them very, very sad. This made them very, very hurt, and that is why they are having lots of fears in their mind right now. That is why they are going through a very bad phase right now. They are not able to sleep. They are not able to talk to anybody else about this situation. Leo, they are suffering in silence. This is kind of suffering in silence because they were very hopeful about this particular relationship or connection with you. They were hopes and dreams of having a married life with you, and you broke this situation. Maybe you broke their heart. They feel like you broke their heart. Okay, what they want from this connection? Seven of Cups. I feel like this person wants to get out of a confusing state. I feel like this person have options, or they feel like you have lots of option in your life, and that is why they are feeling like heartbroken and sad. So this person is definitely feeling heartbroken over you. This person is very, very confused. I feel like this person was very confused in the past. Now they are having clear intention of starting a brand new relationship with you, and they want to have a clear cut communication with you, but they're holding back because of their subconscious fears. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups. This is Ten of Wands, Six of Cups, and the Empress. Okay, the Seven of Cups, they are confused. They are feeling like this relationship is a burden, but you guys have a very beautiful memories together, and they feel like you are the Empress. They feel like you're one of a kind. You are kind of a celebrity, a mini celebrity to them. You are different and unique in their eyes. So all they want is to come out of this confusing state, this emotional state of trauma and distress, because they feel like, although they feel like this relationship is a burden, this connection is a burden, or they were feeling burdened by this relationship in the past. Now they feel like you guys have a past life connection, you guys have memories together, you guys have a very beautiful connection together, and they see you as some kind of celebrity or a creative person or a very beautiful person inside out. And that is why now they have the now they are gaining the mental clarity that yes, I need this person in my life, and I need a brand new start with them. So the outcome from their side, or what to expect from them till 3rd of May, Leo. Knight of Cups. Coming back towards you with a love offer. I can't say this offer is solid. I can say this offer is kind of developing new feelings, and they are telling you that yes, they have feelings for you. I don't feel like this person is coming forward and saying I love you to you directly, or telling you that they want a married life or something, a long term commitment with you. But yes, they will eventually tell you that they have feelings for you, and they want to have a brand new start with you in this connection. Okay, now this is your free will. If you want to take this connection back, if you want to take this person back. So Knight of Cups is clarified by Let's see. Knight of Cups is clarified by the Ten of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Tower. Yeah, because now this person feels like you are someone who can be in their life long term, who can have a very beautiful family, who can handle a family, who they see as their happiness. They feel like you are their happiness, you are someone who make them really very happy, and you are one of a kind. Now they are coming towards you and offering you some kind of beautiful offer. It is not kind of right now of marriage or commitment, but yes, they will admit that they have feelings for you, because this is kind of sudden realization that they had when you guys separated. In this period of separation, they have realized that they love you and they have feelings for you. Now they are ready to have a brand new beginning with you. So it is kind of from the end of April till the early May. We can hope from this person, we can expect from this person to come back around and tell you exactly how they feel, tell you exactly that they feel for you, and they have lots of beautiful feelings for you. Now they see you in a different light, now they see you in a different perspective. So one card as an advice for my dear Leos till 3rd of May who are in no contact with their person. So let's see. Leos, this is a very beautiful reading. You are working on yourself now, you are not giving a shit to this person. Now this person is after you. Okay, I feel like in the past you tried a lot, you tried hell lot of techniques to make this person stay in your life, but they didn't. And now they are running behind you, and if they are not, they will eventually run behind you. Okay, self indulgence, focus on self worth, time to heal, shadow work, self appreciation. I love this. So Leo, this is what the universe wants to tell you. Focus on self, focus on self healing, self growth. You are doing great, Leo. Keep going, you are doing great. I'm so happy for you guys, congratulations. And the bottom of the deck, the energy, the overall energy, you can say, or the mutual energy, you can say, is the Knight of Swords. So again, you don't have to rush into anything. If they're coming towards you and rushing this relationship on and rushing into feelings and rushing and saying, I want a relationship with you, I want this with you, please don't rush into anything. Take your sweet ass time and completely heal from every trauma that you had in the past. Then only begin. Okay, then only begin this relationship or connection with this particular person. If you want to, this is your free will. So thank you so much for listening, Leo. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Namaste. This is Anjali Tarot. I hope you will remember me. Thank you.